In today's video, we'll talk about why your Panasonic charger blinks green and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your Panasonic charger blinks green because the batteries are installed incorrectly. Panasonic chargers have internal self-check mechanisms that determine if the batteries are correctly installed. On some models, the green light flashes above or below the incorrectly installed battery as a warning. If this happens, unplug your charger and remove the battery whose light was blinking. Reinstall the battery, ensuring that the terminals on the battery align with those on the charger. Plug in your charger and check if the blinking continues. If this solves the issue, the light will turn a solid green color. If the green light continues to blink, you may have inserted a dry or dead battery. Dry or dead batteries can't recharge as they've reached the end of their lifespan. Inserting one in your charger may cause the green blinking light. If this happens, unplug your charger and remove the battery whose LED was flashing green. Replace it with a fresh battery or discard it. Once done, plug in your charger and check if the other LEDs are blinking. If this fixes the issue, the LEDs will turn solid green until the batteries are fully charged. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.